Did you know that over 60% of travelers forget at least one essential item when packing for their cruise? Yeah, that's a staggering number. Imagine starting your trip and realizing you left something crucial behind. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the ultimate packing list for your cruise in 2024. This adventure is unlike any other, with lush rainforests, exciting wildlife, and unique challenges. So, let's make sure you're fully equipped for the journey ahead. Now, let's talk about some common issues that travelers face when packing for your cruise. First off, the weather can be super unpredictable. One moment it's sunny, and the next you're caught in a downpour, so you really need to be prepared for anything. Plus, once you're out there, access to stores and supplies can be limited. This can lead to a real headache if you forget something important. So, how do we avoid those packing pitfalls? Let's break it down. Queuing and sa aigi anin ainmo ains. Alright, let's get into the meat of the matter, your must-have items for the trip. We're going to categorize them into a few groups. Essentials like clothing, gear, health and safety items, and of course, some entertainment for those downtime moments. Starting with clothing, you'll want lightweight, breathable fabrics that dry quickly. Think moisture-wicking shirts and quick-dry shorts. And don't forget a good pair of waterproof shoes. Trust me, your feet will thank you. Next up is gear. A reliable day pack is crucial for carrying your essentials during excursions, along with a high-quality water bottle. Staying hydrated is key in the Amazon heat. Also, consider a compact binocular for wildlife viewing. There's nothing like seeing a toucan up close. Now, on to health and safety. Bring along insect repellent. Mosquitoes can be relentless in the rainforest. A travel-sized first aid kit is also a must, because you never know when a little cut or scrape might happen. And don't forget sunscreen and a good hat to protect yourself from the sun. Last but not least, for entertainment, pack a good book or download some podcasts for those lazy afternoons on the boat. A travel journal can also be a great way to document your adventures. Now, here's the moment you've been waiting for. The top 3 items that can truly make or break your cruise experience. First up is a high-quality waterproof phone case. This little gadget will protect your phone from splashes and rain, and trust me, you'll want to capture all those amazing moments. Secondly, a portable charger is an absolute lifesaver. The last thing you want is for your phone to die after you've spotted a sloth or a pink river dolphin. And lastly, a lightweight, packable rain jacket. When those unexpected showers hit, you'll be glad you have it to keep you dry and comfortable. I can't tell you how many times I've seen people caught out in the rain without one. So, to recap, your must-have items for your cruise: lightweight clothing, reliable gear, health and safety essentials, and a few entertainment options. All these things will help ensure your adventure is successful and enjoyable. Now I want to hear from you. What are your packing tips for your cruise? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're looking for more travel insights, don't forget to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching and happy packing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides. Hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos.